variation. Class 8. Worksheet 2. Come on, question man.
Yes, sir, I am here.
Do you know what are the basic mathematical operators?
Yes, sir. Plus, minus, into, and divide.
Good. Okay, now find the sum of 5 cow and 2 goat.
So simple. It is 7, sir.
What? Cow or a goat?
Sir, animal.
How? I have given you a cow and a goat. How it became animal? The whole group? Can you add 2 notebook and 5 pen? 5 kilometer with rupee 2. 5x plus 2y. 8 kg plus 5 liter. Can you? Is it possible? What are you thinking? So, we cannot add or subtract two different quantities. Good. Addition and subtraction is possible only in like quantities. 5 pen plus 2 pen will be 7 pen. 3 cow plus 5 cow will be 8 cow. 8 kg plus 7 kg will be 15 kg. 5x minus 3x will be 2x. 7x square y minus 3x square y will be 4x square y.
Yes, sir.
Now, what about multiplication and division? Define multiplication. It is repeated addition of same quantity. When 4 pen is added thrice, it means 3 into 4 pen, which results in 12 pen. Again, if 2 cow is added thrice, then it results in 3 multiplied by 2 cow, which is 6 cow. And what about division? It is repeated subtraction of same quantity. For 12 divided by 4, we first take out 4 from 12, which results 8. Again, 4 take out from 8, which results 4. Again, 4 take out from 4, which results 0. As we subtracted 4 thrice, so the result is 3. But do you know that when we can multiply or divide two different quantity to get new quantity in a particular condition?
Wow, in which situations?
If two quantities vary directly, we divide it, as the ratio between two quantities will be same throughout the situation, and that ratio is known as constant k. Mathematically, we can write as x is proportional to y. X varies y directly, so x by y equal to k, where k is constant of variation. If two quantities vary inversely, as the product between two quantities will be same throughout the situation, and the product is known as constant k. Again, mathematically we can write as x is inversely proportional to y. X y is inversely, so x is equal to k into 1 by y, where k is constant of variation, and this symbol is known as symbol of variation. Let us have definition of inverse variation again. If two quantities are related in such a way that an increase in one causes corresponding decrease in the other and vice versa, then such a variation is called inverse variation. Let us consider the following table: the speed of a car and time taken to cover the same distance. Let speed is denoted by x and time is denoted by y. Speed is in km per hour, y is in hour. At 30 km per hour, it took 12 hours. At 40, it took 9 hours. At 60, it took 6 hours. At 90, it took 4 hours. From the table given here, it is clear that the speed of the car increases, time taken to cover the same distance decreases, or vice versa. That is, the product of different speed and corresponding time comes to be same. In the other words, x and y remains constant. Did you notice here? 30 multiplied by 12 is 360, 40 multiplied by 9 is 360, 60 multiplied by 6 is 360, and 90 multiplied by 4 is 360. All the values are same, which is constant. Can you find the missing values if a and b varies inversely? Now let me solve this. Let the values at the blank be x and y. Since a and b vary inversely, so product of a and b should be constant, which is equal to 20. Now 4 into x is equal to 20, so x is equal to 5. Similarly, we can find the value of y, which is 40. Now convert 36 km per hour to meter per second. Here 36 km per hour means 36 km in 1 hour. We have to find in meter per second means x meter in 1 second. And it is very much clear that distance and time vary directly, so let us make a table and find the value of x. We have x is equal to 10 meter per second. Simply to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, we multiply 5 by 18. And similarly to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, we multiply 18 by 5. Let us have our next problem. The science teacher asked the students of a class A to make a project report on pollution. When 10 students worked on it, the work gets finished in 3 days. How many students are required to work finished in 2 days? As clear it is in the case of inverse variation, so you can solve very easily. On solving, we have 15 students can complete the work in 2 days. Running at an average speed of 40 km per hour, a bus completes a journey in 4.5 hours. How much time will the journey take if speed is increased to 45 km per hour? As speed increases, time will decrease, and if speed decreases, time will increase. So it is the case of inverse variation. Let us make a table first for speed and time. On calculation, we have 4 hours. Apurv cycles to his school at an average speed of 12 km per hour. It takes him to 20 minutes to reach his school. If he wants to reach the school in 15 minutes, what should be his average speed? Clearly, it is a case of inverse variation. On solving, we have 16 km per hour. A contractor with a workforce of 420 men can complete a work of construction of a building in 9 months. Due to request of the owner, he was asked to complete the job in 7 months. How many extra men he must employ to the job should be completed? As clearly it is a case of inverse variation. On solving, we have 120 men. Let us have our very next question. A shopkeeper has enough money to buy 40 books, each book costing rupees 125. How many books he can buy if he gets a discount of rupees 25 on each book? It means on getting discount of rupees 25, he will have to pay rupees 100 only. So at rupees 100, he will buy more books. As cost of book decreases, he will buy more number of books. So it is a case of inverse variation. On solving, we have 50 books. Again, we have a next question. 6 pumps working together can empty a tank in 28 minutes. How long will it take to empty the tank if 4 such pumps working together? Again, number of pumps decreases, so the time will increase as they both are in inverse variation. On solving, we have 42 minutes will require to empty the tank. Let us have our next problem. A train moving at the speed of 75 km per hour covers a certain distance in 4 and 8 hours. What should be the speed for the train to cover the same distance in 3 hours? Let us have our next problem. A garrison 120 men has a provision for 30 days. At the end of 5 days, 5 more men join. How many days can they sustain on the remaining provision? Here number of men increases, the days of provision will decrease, hence it is a case of inverse variation. We can easily solve, and on solving we get 24 days, hence the provision will last for 24 days.